So hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've come to you with another story. I hope you are watching all my videos or watch all my videos and you are learning in a great way. So let's get started with today's story. So once there was a forest, and in that forest a fox living. On that day he was quite hungry. He was looking for the food since morning, but he could not find anything to eat. Then after all he decided to go beside the village so that he can find some food there. But sadly, he didn't find anything to eat. When he was coming back from the village, he looked that juicy grapes were hanging in the tree, and he decided to have those juicy grapes as his food. But the problem was the juicy grapes were so high he couldn't reach it. He tried again and again, but he could not get those grapes. So after sometimes later, he just gave up. Moral of the story is sometimes we can't obtain something. In that case, we might try to make ourselves feel better by saying that we didn't want it anyway. So it was for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure you share and subscribe this channel. Till then, thank you.